Oh man, look at this. Yeah, this is pretty deep, man. Look at that.
Oh man. I have no idea how I made it through there.
What's that?
10, 12. Well done. What is that?
Toyota Matrix.
Toyota Matrix.
Yeah.
Does that have a high snorkel?
Yeah, it's not something. Did you see when the trucks passed me?
Yeah, that was. I got it all right here.
Are you on Facebook?
Take my phone number.
All right.
Here's the sound. Corrido. 510.
510,
6500.
6500.
And then I'm John. And then we'll be in touch.
All right.
I'll send you. Whatever.
All right. Thanks, man.
What's your name?
Sean.
John, nice to meet you.
I'm Mark. Yeah. Yeah.
We'll figure this out. We'll go back through it again.
See ya.
Yeah.
He videotaped that one.
Let's turn around and videotape him. Oh. Okay. Let's see. There. See, that's pretty deep right there. You don't want to go through that again and relive that? Or you just push it? See how deep that went, man?
Yeah, I know. It was up over my hood.